How to reset your Acorns login PIN. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To reset your Acorns login PIN, if you're using the app, what you need to do is tap the profile icon, then tap Settings. Under the Security section, tap Change Login PIN, enter your current PIN, create a new PIN, and tap Confirm. And after you do that, you're good to go. And if you're on the website, you can click on Profile and Settings, then go to Security section and click Change Login PIN. Create a new PIN, re-enter it, and then press on Submit. And after you do that, your new PIN will be created. And this is how to reset your Acorns login PIN. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.